Chapter 4 Physical Education and Sports for CWSN Children with Special Need, we call as a Divyang. We have here subtopics: concept of disability and disorder, types of disability, its causes and nature, cognitive disability, intellectual disability, and physical. Types of disorder, its causes and nature: ADHD, SPD, ASD, ODD, OCD. All these we will cover in this chapter. Disability etiquettes, advantage of physical activities for children with special needs, strategies to make physical activities accessible for children with special need. These are topics to cover in chapter 4. We have concept of disability and disorder here. Concept of disability. It is a functional limitation with regard to a particular activity. In other words, any restriction or lack of ability to perform an activity in the manner or within the range considered normal for a human being. According to medical field, disability has a biological or medical basis with impairments in body function and structure being associated with different health conditions. According to WHO, the World Health Organization defines disability as follows. Disabilities are an umbrella term covering impairments, activity limitations, and participation restrictions. Impairment is a problem in body function or structure. An activity limitation is a difficulty encountered by an individual in executing a task or action, while a participation restriction is a problem experienced by an individual in involvement in life situation. Thus, disability is a complex phenomenon reflecting an interaction between features of a person's body and features of the society in which he or she lives. We continue here. Concept of disability. A disability is any condition of the body or mind impairment that makes it more difficult for the person with the condition to do certain activities, we call activity limitations, and interact with the world around them. Participation restriction. There are many types of disability that affects a person's vision, movement, thinking, remembering, learning, communicating, hearing, mental health, and social relationship. Disorder. A condition characterized by lack of normal functioning of physical or mental process. The term disorder is considered as a problem, disease, or illness which affects someone's mind or body. In medicine, a disorder is a functional abnormality or disturbance. Medical disorders can be categorized into mental, physical, genetics, emotional, and functional disorders. According to mental health, the term mental disorder is used as a way of acknowledging the complex interaction of biological, social, and psychological factors in psychiatric conditions. Here we have types of disability, causes and nature. Types of disability. Cognitive disability. Cognition refer to understanding, the ability to understand what you see and hear and to infer information from social cues and body language. People with these impairments may have trouble learning new things, making generalizations, from one situation to another and expressing themselves through spoken or written language. A learning disability may make it difficult for a person to take in information and communicate what they know. Learning difficulties can cause difficulties in reading, writing, or mathematics. Dyslexia. Dyslexia is a learning disorder that involves difficulty reading due to problems identifying speech, sounds, and learning how they relate to letters and words. Decoding, also called reading disability. Dyslexia affects area of the brain that process language. Dyspraxia, the inability to motor plan, to make an appropriate body response. Dysgraphia, difficulties with the act of writing both in the technical as well as the expressive sense. There may also be difficulty with spellings. Dyscalculia, difficulty with calculation. Attention defect and hyperactivity disorder, ADHD. Hyperactivity. Next we have intellectual disability. An intellectual disability may mean difficulty communicating, learning, and retaining information. They include Down syndromes, Fragile X syndromes, Prader-Willi syndromes, and development delays. If a person has an intellectual disability, their brain hasn't developed properly or has been injured in some way. Their brain may also not function within the normal range of both intellectual and adaptive functioning. In the past, medical professionals called these conditions as mental retardation. Mental retardation, a condition of arrested or incomplete development of mind of a person which is especially characterized by subnormality of intelligence. Example, cognitive, language, motor, and social abilities. Autism, a condition of uneven skill development primarily affecting the communication and social abilities of a person, marked by repetitive and ritualistic behavior. Multiple disability, a combination of two or more disabilities as defined, namely blindness, low vision, speech and hearing impairment. Locomotor disability includes leprosy, mental retardation, and mental illness. Physical disability. Physical disabilities may affect either temporarily or permanently a person's physical capacity and or mobility. There are many different causes of physical disabilities, but they can include inherited or genetic disorders, serious illness, and injury. A physical disability is the long-term loss or impairment of part of a person's body function, resulting in a limitation of physical functioning, mobility, dexterity, or stamina. Due to the functional loss, the person will experience the inability to perform normal movements of the body, such as walking and mobility, sitting and standing, use of hands and arms, muscle controls, etc. The two major categories of physical disabilities are: number one, the musculoskeletal disability includes loss or deformity of limbs, osteogenesis imperfect, and muscular dystrophy. The musculoskeletal disability is defined as the inability to carry out distinctive activities associated with movement of the body parts due to muscular or bone deformities, diseases, or degeneration. Second, the neuromuscular disability. It includes it's including cerebral palsy, spina bifida, poliomyelitis, stroke, head injuries, and spinal cord injuries. The neuromuscular disability is defined as the inability to perform controlled movements of affected body parts due to disease, degeneration, or disorder of the nervous system. Causes of disability. Number 1, communicable disease or infectious diseases such as tuberculosis, HIV, AIDS. Neurological consequences of some diseases such as encephalitis, meningitis, and childhood cluster disease such as measles, mumps, and polymyelitis contributes to disability. Non-communicable diseases. Chronic diseases such as diabetes, cardiovascular disease, arthritis, and cancer cause the majority of long-term disabilities. Lifestyle choices and personal behavior such as obesity, physical inactivity, and tobacco use, alcohol consumptions, illicit drug, air pollution, occupational disease, poor water supply, sanitation, and personal and domestic hygiene, malnutrition, and contribute for disability. Injuries due to road traffic, accidents, occupational injuries, violence, conflicts, falls, and landmines have long been recognized as contributors to disability. Number 3, mental health problems. Mental health retardation and mental illness are the causes of mental disability. In more than 50% cases, mental retardation have been reported to the causes by serious illness or head injury in the childhood and birth defects. Nature of disability. The understanding of disability from medical definition explains the nature and characteristics of different forms of disability. Number 1 is physical and communication disability. A. Visual impairment like blindness, person with low vision, hearing impairment, locomotor impairment. Number 2, mental, learning, and medical disabilities. Mental, psychological illness, mental retardation, learning disabilities, multiple disabilities, medical disabilities.